Morning, peeps. Yes. Good morning. Good morning. Morning, guys. So I'm actually going to be cooking this morning. I have less meeting and I forgot to cook yesterday. So come along with me. Doing a little bit of cooking this morning. There's going to be a lot of cooking. I didn't get to cook over the weekend, so obviously I'm going to try and cook right now today. And I'm trying something new, so come with me. Let's make some food for the week. If you guys don't know, I only cook once a week, and that's just it. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing some cooking. It's around 12 right now. Lunch is at 1, so I'm just going to maneuver over that and back to work. So for now, I'm on a low key. It's not that busy, so I was like, okay, just do your cooking now, and then it gets busy over the afternoon. A lot of meetings and stuff. So come with me, let's do some cooking. So guys, I'm trying something new. I want to try. I got kale from Lidl. So I got some kale there from Lidl, and I'm trying something new this week. I'm going to use my kale as veg. So let's see how that goes. Okay, so I don't really know what exactly I'm cooking. I'm literally doing a concoction here. It's like a mixture of whatever, how it turns out. So I'm going to have my stir fry on one side, and I'm going to have the kale on another side. So it's going to be like a mixture of healthy eating. So stir fry. I like my stir fry with a bit of noodles in it to kind of let me know that I have like my stir fry with a pinch of noodles. So I always have 2 noodles if the worst comes to worst. So like I told you guys, I'm not a big fan of cooking. We're about to burn their house. Look at that, the smoke. Okay. So I love plantain. I know it's the right one, but I don't mind. I always have once in a while. So this is me for once in a while. I always make it, but I make it in a body style. So we're going to put our plantain in the oven. I definitely love body style, and I don't know about the rest of the people, but that's the way to go. You guys can see me. I'm going to show you what else is in mine. So that's the body style number 1. I love it, body style. I'm not joking. And sometimes I boil them. You know, the boiled one is not bad also. And I have it next to my mixed veg, or like I said, it's sometimes. So hence why I always go for the right one. Sometimes. So this is the week. Last week, you guys saw what you guys know. I like to slice mine in 2. Sorry, I'm not one of those people. I don't put a chunk. Go straight into the oven. Slice into. Am I the only one that doesn't like the fact that the sink is all the way over here, and then the cooker and stuff, they're all the way over there? Like, that just annoys me. So what is going to come? And what? That annoys me. Well, I know how I want my house to be. Why am I here and then I'm running there to the cooker? I don't get it. Well, okay. So plantain is always quick, so I like the idea of just putting it in there, having a guy there. about pudding. Oh my god. Okay, so did that. This is literally straight into the oven, nothing big deal, no extra work or whatever. And then we'll rinse. I'm going to go back to our pot. I just want to show you exactly what I'm doing in my pot. So going back to my, I'm not, look what I found. So I found this at Lidl. Pick up this, I picked this up at Lidl. And they're on sale, so I was like, why not? I'm going to make them today. So I have a bit of fish. I don't take this often also. Sorry, not often, but once in a while I want. Last week I had chicken. This week is all about fish. But I don't have the Nigerian fish that I can season myself. So this is already seasoned. What I don't like about this is that there's a lot of oil. And I'm not a big fan of oil, like you see how I make my kale. So another thing is this. I like them in different colors, but obviously, if you know why I didn't get them in different colors, so I'm just going to use this one because they're going to get spoiled anytime soon. So I just had to attend to one of my. I'm back with you guys now. Yes, so I'm going to use this fish this week. They're going to be my go-to. I don't use them often, no. They're not that healthy like you think, but healthy enough, yes. So just have some slack. So I always get 2 different flavors. This literally will go into my veg. Not, oh, yeah, my vegetables. So my veg will be rich. I shouldn't be eating that. It's coming from the fridge. So, and I really use, what do you call it? I really actually use a lot of oil. Just a dashing. So that's my noodles right there. I just put it together. Let's see. Don't mind me, oh, it is my noodles. So. And then that's the stir fry. Look at that. Look at the sizzle. The sizzle is everything, and we're going to have my Maggi a lifetime in mind. I'm literally doing them all together. So what I did was that the fish for this is too much for me anyway, so I used the rest of it for my stir fry. Yeah, for my EFO is just too much for me, so I literally just put the rest in here, which I don't mind, but I just crumble them into my stir fry. Look at that. What do you think? Looking good. It is. Guys, don't even blame me. I literally don't know how to do this cooking kind of shenanigans. Yeah, so that's it. I'll put the rest. Literally like a concoction. I poured my noodles in there. I just want to see how it is. I have a hint of, I don't know what that is. Well, poured my noodles in there. And now we're going to stir together. I'll show you how it is. So I'm gonna take time to stir it. So there you have it, my stir fry. And I didn't regret the fish, putting the fish in, because guys, the fish just gave it this aroma of life. I'm going to add a finishing touch to it, which is, so I'm still yet to do that one, so I'm going to do that next, which is, this is suya pepper that a sister of mine, sister from Shaw Olutaiwo, she's on YouTube, she gave it to me, and I just love it. I love to add a pinch, just a pinch of it, to give it this aroma of like suya, kind of, maybe a bit more. It does, it makes a difference. And I've been adding it to my stir fry since then. Sorry. Nope. And you just stir, and then you put on a low heat. I don't know what I'm telling you, but cook with me. There you go. This is my stir fry. What are you saying? What do you mean she can't cook? Oh jeez. It's definitely spicy. I think I used too much of. I can't even use that tagugu. I was going to use that tagugu. Guys, that is spicy. I thought white people's chili flakes is not to be spicy. I'm going to leave that to simmer. Leave for a while to simmer. Excuse me. Guys. So we did it all. It turned out, this is literally, it's, you can't, I'm telling you, you wouldn't know that the kale is like, that's kale. That looks like, and then you can see the fish. No, I'm tasting it right now, and it's everything basically. So a little bit of veg. This is my veg now. I like it dry like that, so that's my veg. Good food. And my stir fry is still there. And then my bowl is ready. I had a taste. Look at that fine golden power. There we go. So that is food for the week. I'm going to dish it. Food for you. This is my go-to. Evening FamBam. So I'm going to have dinner. I'm going to call it a lunch. I am tired, but I have my dinner. I still have one plate from last week, so I'm going to have that plate, and that's it. We'll call it a night, and I will chit chat with you guys in the next video. Remember, God loves you. Love thyself and spread the love to others, as we usually do. Until next time, FamBam. FamBam. I'm liking it. See ya. Peace. There we go. It's food time. Ooh, food time. What am I doing? Yeah, so I'm having chicken mixed with some cute bar.